Get him, Tib.
Get him, Tibby.
Bella's trying to sniff him.
Get him, Bella.
Sam's smiling. Get him, Tibby.
Get him, Tibby. Oh, she needs to turn it around. There you go. Get him, Tib.
Get him, Tibby.
Tibby. The bubbles. Oh, Bella.
What do you think of those bubbles, Sam? Bean. He's watching TV instead. Oh, there's some bubbles. There's some bubbles. Oh,
Oh!